Level 30. Survival difficulty class to unsafe secure low entity count. Level 30 is the 31st level of the Backrooms. The level itself is known for its memory-altering abilities, the presence of memory lurkers, and its distorted nature. Level 30 resembles a large daytime skybox with clusters of islands inside. The islands are around 2,000 square miles in size and 100,000 square miles apart from each other. These islands are always flat, with a thin grass surface above, and some stone and rocks below. An odd function within this level is its memory-altering abilities, making people imagine the entire level like a dream. How this occurs is when one interacts with a memory lurker. Memory lurkers are small, squid-like entities that fly around the skybox frequently, often lurking around islands. When a wanderer interacts with a memory lurker, the entity will grab the wanderer's head and take full control of the brain. Then, it will turn the wanderer's surroundings into what the memory lurker wants it to be, which usually varies. The entities that appear here are the exclusive memory lurkers, the occasional smiler, wormlings that roam within the dirt on most islands, and unconfirmed sightings of the birds. Bases, outposts and communities. There are no known bases, outposts and communities on this level anymore, though, at one point, an outpost did exist. It is theorized that it was destroyed. Here is a note left by them. Hello? Can anybody hear us? Look, I think this is supposed to send in some type of note about us encountering an entity or something. But listen closely. Something is wrong here. The description is short for a reason. They don't know what is going on, therefore they can't explain too much. But we know something. We will try to remake this draft, okay? Well, I'm out. The outpost was destroyed by memory lurkers. Do not listen to them. They are under the level's many effects and trances. Entrances, you can end up here through level 843 via no clipping. Exits unknown. Level 30 Revision 1. Survival difficulty Class 5 Unsafe Unsecure Entity Infestation. Let's just cut to the chase here. Just ignore the Class 5 thing. I did that so it would appear higher in the database. There are only two entities here, memory lurkers, and the level itself. Yeah, the level is an entity, but I'll go into that later. So I'm currently on a darkest island with a lot of bridges clipping into each other. Odd, I know, but this is the Backrooms. They seem to lead to other areas. Well, most of them. Some I saw lead to the Blue Channel, some lead into the Void Abyss, some I don't really know as it's so dark. Thankfully, I'm not alone. I'm with two of my friends. We have weapons and almond water. I think we are safe. I will update this later. Edit: the memory lurkers are here. I forgot to mention that they weren't here initially. They are kind of just standing there. They are just floating around. Some floated close to us, though. I managed to hit one with the crowbar and it's just flopping around like it's a fish. None of us are brave enough to touch it, so we left it there to rot. Well, I think it's about time I talk about why level 30 itself is an entity. It's because it speaks. We know it isn't a memory lurker or an undiscovered entity or whatever, but it's coming from, well, everywhere, around every corner, behind our backs, in our brain. It talks about us, our past, the Backrooms, our regrets, and that the memory lurkers, which they call the gateway to paradise, can let us break free from our regret and fear. Edit: to one of my friends got killed by a memory lurker. Apparently one of those lurkers sneaked up on him and corrupted him. By corrupted I mean it changed his vision and mind completely. He's talking about how it's safe and whatnot. These memory lurkers honestly think they are convincing me. They aren't, but I think they are actually convincing my friend. I don't want this to happen to her. That isn't good. Edit 3. I'm confused. My friend is acting so robotic. She keeps talking so formally with no emotion. Not to mention the expressionless face all the time. The short, blunt answers. You get the idea. No, if we escape, I'm going to get some help for her and myself. I hope we can leave. Final edit: I think I get it now. This is all fake. Everything is. It's just like a VR headset. The memory lurkers are the headset. What it's designed to do is what I am seeing. And there is someone. No, something. No human can do this. I'm guessing this is not the true form of level 30, but I know that I'm under a memory lurker's trance. My friend's acting so robotic. Everything feels so 2D-like. It all lines up. I'm going to try and find a way out. Error: update occurred. File full of space. View file. Level 30 Revision 2. Level 30. This is the real file. Survival difficulty Class Aleph Unsafe Time Dilation Undocumented Entities. Level 30 is an unknown level with two forms. Its false form controlled by the level itself, and its undiscovered true form. The false form is shown to people via one of the only entities that inhabit this level, memory lurkers. These entities can disguise the mind, making it seem like a typical level. These entities will kill you instantly and make you think you're still alive, which is one of the many reasons this level is a dead zone. Level 30E's true form is completely unknown and possibly incomprehensible to humans. We know that it exists and will kill you if you make this sudden realization that everything around you is fake. The other exclusive entity here, the level itself, seems to clutter your mind and vision with memories and nostalgia, which soon turns into fear and disgust. Level 30 is in fact an entity and seems to run the entire level and reality. It appears to be a sentient paradox-like entity that can speak and adequately convince fake wanderers and rarely real wanderers via a trance. It speaks about the memory lurkers being the gateway to paradise, and touching them will let you free from regret and pain forever. Bases, outposts and communities. There are no known bases, outposts and communities on this level. Entrances. You can enter level 30 through level 843 via no clipping. Finding a glitched item on floor 30 within level 696 will take you here. Exits unknown.